Welcome. Today, we're diving into the importance of two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in safeguarding your online accounts. So how does 2FA work? It's a simple two-step process that adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. There are several methods for implementing 2FA, including SMS codes, authenticator apps, and hardware tokens. Let's explore each of these. When selecting a 2FA method, it's important to consider your needs, convenience, and the level of security required. Now, let's get into setting up two-factor authentication across popular platforms. Follow along as we guide you through each step. Sometimes, you may encounter challenges while using 2FA. We'll cover some common issues and how to troubleshoot them. The benefits of 2FA are immense, providing enhanced security and peace of mind when accessing your sensitive information. Managing 2FA across multiple accounts can be daunting. Let's discuss effective strategies to help you keep track. To ensure your 2FA remains secure, follow these best practices to keep your accounts protected against threats. In conclusion, we encourage everyone to adopt two-factor authentication for all your accounts. It's a crucial step in securing your online presence.